Hey, my weekend warriors out there, this one right here, this is for you. HART's 40-volt, 20-inch self-propelled mower. Let's get it. It's battery powered, so you can say goodbye to the gas-guzzling machines of the past. So of course, there's no exhaust, but there's also no exhaust shunt. Get it? Because this mower is self-propelled and does all the work for you. The beauty of this thing is its brushless motor. Compared to the conventional motors, this one has more power and is built to go the distance. Speaking of which, this workhorse can mow up to half an acre lawn on just one charge. If you need more runtime, bring an extra battery along for the ride. And whether you want to bag it, mulch it, or kick it out the side, it's only a quick switch to get the job done how you like it. This one lever can raise or lower the deck so you can get the perfect grass height. When you're done, just collapse the handle for easy storage. Saving space and time is what we're all about. And since all my HART 40-volt tools use the same battery, I'm only a quick charge away from my next project. Remember, Walmart is your one-stop shop for everything HART, so make your neighbors jealous and go get one.